all of my young friends. Today we will go to the world of rational numbers. You know which numbers are natural numbers. Natural numbers are counting numbers. So when you start counting, we write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so on. But with the natural number, we cannot do all of our operations, that is addition, multiplication, subtraction, division, and root extractions. So we have to develop the number system. So I know, in earlier classes you have learned whole numbers. So including 0 and 0, 1, 2, 3, these are whole numbers. But with the whole numbers only we can do addition and multiplication. We cannot subtract any two whole number to get another whole number. Like if you subtract 3 minus, if you write subtract 2 from 3, the result is coming, which is a whole number. But if we do the operation, opposite thing, 2 minus 3, it becomes minus, but there is no minus we use in whole number. So that's why we introduce integers, set of integers. You see set of integers here written. So set of integers are all these numbers. All natural number, whole number, and negative numbers. And there we can do subtraction also. But when you divide something, suppose a piece of cake, if I do, how many pieces? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So can we express using the natural number how much this one? So this is part of the whole, and we cannot express with set of integers. So then we introduce rational numbers, and we write that rational numbers are in the form p by q, where p and q are integers. So it may be positive or negative. So we can write, say for example, this one. This is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 pieces. So this we can write as 1/5 of the whole. And when you collect this total, this will be 2/5 of the whole. And if you see, there is a line segment. Suppose this is 1 unit. So this is, you can express the middle of this is half, and middle of this and half is 1/4. Middle of 0 and 1/4, as you can express as 1/8. So this way we are getting the pattern which is written in the form p by q. Though it is written in the p by q form, but 1, 2, 3, these are all also rational numbers, because 1 you can write as 1/1, 2 can write written 2/1. So this is p and q, 2 and 1. Now we know which numbers are fraction and which numbers are rational numbers. Now we have learned. So is there any difference? Because when you write a fraction, you write half. When you write a rational number, half. And half means, if you take this whole is a 1 unit, this much is half. This is one half and this is another half. This is the whole. But what is the difference? Yes, there is a difference. Here 1 and 2 are always positive, but we can write minus 3 as integer and 12. This is in the form p by q and this is a rational number. So, to some extent, rational number and fractional numbers are not equal. Half minus 1 by minus 2. This is a fraction, or you can write this is a rational number and this one minus 1 by 2, this is equivalent to 1 by 2. So this is a fraction, this is a rational number. Rational number, you can use the integers as negative, positive, but here is always positive. Now, we'll see what are the important properties of rational number. A rational number, when in the form p by q, when we simplified, that is, p and q have no common factors, or you can say their H shape is p by q, that is H shape is 1, then it is called standard form of a rational number. Say for example, 3 by 4. 3 and 4 are co-prime numbers. Their H shape is 1, so it is a standard form of a rational number. But if it is 2 by 6, this is not a standard form because here 2 is a common factor. So if you simplify, then if you write 1 by 3, then it is a standard form of a rational number. And look at here, property 2. If PQ is a rational number and M is a non-zero integer, then P by Q can be written in the P by Q into M Q. So we are multiplying both numerator and denominator here by M. Suppose 3 by 4. And if I multiply this by 3 and 4 by 3, we are getting a number 9 by 12. This is called a equivalent number with 3 by 4. Equivalent number. So, multiplied by 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or minus 1, minus 2. If we multiply with 3 with minus 2, then 4 with minus 2, we'll get minus 6 by minus 8. This is also another equivalent number with 3 by 4. Now, here it is written that P by Q divided by M. So, if you do the division also, suppose 9 by 12. So, what is the common factor? 3. So, 9 divided by 3 and 12 divided by 3. If you divide this, you will get 3 by 4. So, that is equivalent. The last property is if A by B and C by D are two rational numbers where B and D are non-zero, because something divided by 0 is undefined, so we'll take that these are non-zero, then A by B is equal to C by D implies that A into D equals to B into C. 3 by 4 is equals to 9 by 12. Now if you multiply 3 into 12 is coming 36 and 9 into 4 also 36. Okay, thank you. For testing your understanding of this lesson and more videos, log on to www.tubelessons.net.